Welcome to Womble Bond Dickinson's series of intellectual property top tips. We at Womble Bond Dickinson are passionate about intellectual property or IP. IP is central to almost everything we do as businesses or individuals, and whether or not we are aware, it influences our lives on a daily basis. It is also the body of law which serves to cement global trade and the exchange of technology.
Intellectual property is a collection of different rights which, together, protect innovation, creativity, or reputation, and thus the investments that go into creating new products, inventions, brands, designs, and creative works. In celebration of 2018's World IP Day, we have put together our series of top tips, which we hope will help you to identify and understand the importance and value of intellectual property, both to you and your business.
But first, what is World IP Day? World IP Day, which is celebrated on April 26th every year, was established in 2000. This date was chosen to coincide with the date that the World Intellectual Property Organization was established in 1970.
The two key purposes of World IP Day are to raise awareness of how intellectual property rights impact on daily life and to celebrate the contribution made by creators and inventors to the development of societies across the world. Within Womble Bond Dickinson, there are a great number of experienced practitioners who advise on all aspects of intellectual property law on both sides of the Atlantic. 2018's World IP Day sees the launch of Womble Bond Dickinson's Top Tips, a series taking a closer look at a number of intellectual property rights.
In addition, this bonus installment is in honour of this year's theme, which is Powering Change, Women in Innovation and Creativity, which aims to celebrate the brilliance, ingenuity, curiosity and courage of the women who are driving change in our world and shaping our common future. In the lead up to World IP Day, some of our team have nominated women who have contributed enormously to the world of intellectual property. These nominations are available to view on our website and on our Twitter feed. Examples of such women include Connelly, inventor of the patented outdoor fire escape, which would become a mandatory requirement of building safety codes in the USA.
Artemisia Gentileschi, the first successful professional female painter and the first woman to become a member of the Accademia d'Arte del Disegno in Florence.
Rosalind Franklin, unrecognized for her contribution at the time, her work on X-ray diffraction images of DNA directly led to the discovery of its double helix structure.
Stephanie Kwolek, she created Kevlar, a lightweight fiber which is 5 times stronger than steel and has an array of applications, including in bulletproof vests, mobile phones, and suspension bridges.
Rear Admiral Grace Hopper, otherwise known as Amazing Grace, a computer scientist whose development of the compiler made computer programming faster and who is also responsible for the phrase finding a bug in the system after she had to remove a moth from her machine.
Afra Bain, one of the first women to make a living as a playwright, poet, translator, and fiction writer. She was also recruited as a spy for King Charles II in Antwerp during the Second Anglo-Dutch War.
Hedy Lamarr, a true polymath, world-renowned Hollywood actress, talented musician, and also keen inventor. She developed and patented a frequency hopping system which jammed enemy torpedoes' tracking systems.
Émilie du Châtelet, an 18th century French natural philosopher, mathematician, physicist, and author. She translated and commented on Newton's seminal work, Principia, containing basic laws of physics. Her translation is still considered the standard French text.
Marie Curie, an accomplished Polish physicist. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first person and only woman to win twice, and to this day is the only person to win a Nobel Prize in 2 different sciences, physics and chemistry.
Anna Atkins, a British botanist and photographer who is credited as the self-publisher of the first book of photography. Some sources claim that she was the first woman to create a photograph.
There are countless more women who have made important contributions to the world in which we live, many of whose contributions have not been fully acknowledged or celebrated. If there are innovative and creative women you would like to nominate, please tweet us at WBDIPUK and don't forget to use the hashtags World IP Day and WBD Women.
If you have found our World IP Day video interesting, we hope you will take the time to watch our other installments in the Top Tips series. On behalf of Womble Bond Dickinson, we would like to wish you a prosperous and innovative World IP Day.